Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes, and I just wanted to spend 2 minutes with you just showing you this lovely 2021 71 plate Kawasaki ZX-10R SE that I've just got in the shop. It's a beautiful bike. They're quite a rare bike as well. You don't get to see many of these on the road, and they're a gorgeous bit of kit. So this one is a one owner, no previous owners. It's not a demo or anything like that. It's just a one private owner bike. And it's only done 1,238 miles from new. Now, it's had its first service done. We've just given the bike its second service, and we've given it its first MOT. It comes with both its keys, comes with a nice Kawasaki book pack, and it's a stunning bike. So they brought this ZX-10 shape out in 2016, and then they brought a ZX-10RR out, and then they brought the SE out. So SE obviously stands for Special Edition. Now, the RR model, you get Marchesini wheels, and you get an auto blipper enabled, and on the normal R, you don't. So they brought this SE model out, and basically what you get is you do get the Marchesini forged wheels, which are super lightweight. You get a quick shifter, and the auto blipper is enabled already as well. So on the normal R, you have to get the bike remapped, and then you have to get the auto blipper enabled as well, so it's an extra cost. So this is already done on this bike as well. But the main difference is that you get electronic adjustable Showa suspension. So it's just a massive, massive increase in obviously how it handles, how it performs, and it looks cool as well, because with the suspension, you get the big piston Showa balanced forks as well. Now you get Brembo M50 monobloc brakes. This one's got the carbon Akrapovic exhaust, and then underneath as well, you do get titanium headers. So you just get a fantastic all-round, claimed about 200 brake horsepower. So they've got plenty of power, plenty of torque. You get ABS, you get adjustable traction control, you get different power modes as well. And they just sound and look fantastic. And like I say, they are super rare. I've worked here a fair number of years now, and I think this is the third one that we've had in the shop. So they're a really nice, rare bike, and I think they look fantastic in the graphite grey with the traditional sort of Kawasaki green going through it as well. Anyway, like I say, it's a one owner, just been serviced, just been MOT'd. It'll come with a fantastic 3 months warranty, which you can upgrade for 1 or 2 years. And it is on sale right now at £11,690. If you want any more information on it, please give us a call on 0113 238 3707. And if you want a high definition video sending through to you, give us a buzz as well, and we'll get that done. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.